Achala,
Hi, how are you?
good evening.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm fine, I'm okay.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Nigeria, from Lagos.
From Lagos.
Yeah,
Why do you look so beautiful?
it's God.
It's God. Are you sure it is God?
Why do you look opposite?
Punish you. Anything where you dey look for, you not go see her for this life. More to go press your head. More to go press your head pass. Idiot. You dey craze well. I dey praise herself. I don't even know say she want insult me. Who this idiot when they send me request? Adlala. Mad. Asandra. Where the Okogege. Where call you wetin dey sup? You are very beautiful. I no go tap. Your network. So how my network take slow? Hi.
Hello,
Where are you calling from?
Jalingo.
Jalingo.
Yes,
Jalingo. People they say Jalingo.
yes, that's where I'm streaming from. Why?
It's a lie. You are lying. How can you be staying in Jalingo for 2026?
Azza, why insulting my village? Which one is why am I saying Jalingo 2026? Is it your Jalingo? See me see.
No, now I'm just asking now because I'm wondering.
I'm staying in Jalingo
How long have you been staying in Jalingo?
all my life.
All your life. Continue staying there because you will stay for life. Idiot. Lala dey around you. Who just say Lala dey around? No be where she feel. I mean she dey lie for me. Some people now they put Nasarawa state. Hello. Not me and you.